Howdy, partner. How you doing?
It's Joe Black. You know, this guy, Joe Black. What's up, my man?
I'm here for a little while, just on a little vacay, if you know what I'm saying. Just chilling out for a bit by the beach.
Alright, cool. Must suck driving around in yachts all day long. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, not really. It's lots of fun, especially when you get to hang out with sexy cars and sexy women, you know.
What? So what you saying? I don't have sexy cars and stuff? My cars aren't sexy for you?
You know, the kind of cars I drive are kind of out of your league, right?
Oh, you tripping. My cars are loud, fast, and have muscle, you know what I'm saying?
That's what I'm saying. That's why I do all the exciting stuff on the channel, because I'm more qualified, if you know what I mean.
Oh man, apparently you haven't looked in the mirror. People like hot cars, not yachts, you know what I'm saying?
You got your wires crossed, son. They love yachts and boats and stuff like that. You know, stats don't lie, you know what I'm saying? That's just how it is.
You're in your own dream world. Man. So when you heading out?
Probably soon. I gotta wrap up another video, you know. That's just how life goes.
Damn, man, you're just trolling all over, huh?
Nope. I just need better content, more yachts, cars, things of that nature. You know, so to make the channel a little bit better and more exciting, you know what I mean. You don't want a boring channel, do you?
Alright, man. I gotta start this video. Subscribers are waiting. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Peace. Man, that guy got nothing better to do, does he? Alright, y'all, check it out. We're gonna get this thing started, and we got a lot of things we gotta do, so we need to get it started right now. So, here we go. Alright, y'all. We're gonna take this apart today and get this thing out of here. And I think this is the problem. So, let's get started. Alright? There'll be several clips at the back of this thing. We're gonna have to take them off. These clips here, the handle goes this way, and this one goes this way, and these clips here pop out. Make sure to press the detent before pulling down the lever to move the large connector. Do this to both levers. Make sure this comes out too. You're gonna need a 13mm. Before you start this, you have to make sure your battery is disconnected like I have over there, okay? So you don't get any electrical shorts, sparks, or short out your computer system. This baby is the source of our problem. Okay, now we're gonna go check it out and get it repaired right up. Use your thumb to gently pry the module from the fuse assembly as you see here. connectors on the module were slightly corroded and had to be cleaned with a Dremel with a fine sanding bit of 800 grit or finer. Use fine sandpaper or a fine Dremel bit to remove the corrosion from the connector. Gently sand off or remove the corrosion from the terminals, and be careful not to damage the connector. Gently press the black connector back into its place. They're keyed so you don't have to get them mixed up. Press down and up, and the red tabs to lock them in place. Place a large connector as I show you here. Hold them in place while pulling the lever up and locking the lever to the detent. You will hear a click to confirm.
That's great. That's just fucking great, man. Now what the fuck are we supposed to do? It's game over, man. It's game over.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, it started.
Finally, after many months of waiting for parts and issues, it's finally over. And I want to take this time to thank all of you, all of my subs, and the new ones also. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.